In this video, I'll show you how to make Google form and share link. This video basically is an educational video only, so ensure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and contents like this. At first, head over to your Chrome browser, right? This is our Chrome browser. So I'm going to make a Google form and show you how you can share the link across. So this video as well is basically an educational video. So I'm doing this video with the sole aim to show you guys how you can make a Google form and you can share the link to your friends and family. So ensure you subscribe down below and share your thoughts below the comment section. I'll be reviewing through all of them, right? So what you need to do once you have subscribed to this channel, you need to click on these dotted icons, right? That is, I'll show you how to make a Google form, right? You click on this, you'd scroll down gradually, you'd see this form, right? This is the forms. This is the forms, right? Click on these forms, wait for it to open a bit. Once it has opened, I'm going to click on this blank form. You can click on this blank form, you can click on contact information, you can select any template you want to select, right? You can still check through other templates, right? There are a whole lot of them here. So I previously taught you guys how you can create a Google form. So I'll be attaching that video link in this video description, so you can go and watch through it. So I won't love to waste much of your time, right? So I'm going to head over to the point. What you need to do, you want to make a Google form now, right? I'll be using this template. I'll click on it, wait for it to open. Exactly. So it has opened. You can come on here and create and adjust what you want to adjust, right? You can still change this. Let's say I want to adjust this template right now. I'll come on here, this contact information, I'll put it to how to, okay, how to edu company, right? So this is basically an educational video. How to edu company. You come on here. Yeah, so this is it. Your name. You can come on here and write your name. Your name, right? Your name. I'll scroll down. Your name, your email address, your email address, your email address, right? Your address, your phone number, your comment. So this is basically how you can make a Google form, right? I just adjusted this Google template form, right? So you can still come on here and customize the theme of this color, right? So you can come on here and change the image header. It is green basically, or it is green currently. I can come on here and pick this, right? I would insert this, so this would change automatically, right? So this is it. Then you can come on here, adjust the header, adjust the color, and everything on adjust. So once you are done, I would close this. This is how you can, this is the preview of this form I just created, right? Okay, so how to edu company. So this is it. At first, you'd indicate your name, indicate your email address, indicate your address, your phone number, and the comments you want to indicate, right? So this is basically how you can make a Google form. And if you want to make this shareable, what you need to do, you head over to this as well. Okay, I think this, yeah, right? Exactly. So this. So if you want to make this shareable, you'd click on these settings. Okay, not this. I think, okay, yeah, you'd click on this send, right? Click on this send, then you'd click on this icon, right? This is it. So this is the link of this Google form I just created. So you can come on here and copy this and share to your family and share to your friends. So this is how you can make a Google form and share the link to your friends, to your family, to your loved ones, and to anyone you want to send it to. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for hanging around to the end of this video. I'll see you guys in the very next one.